Hey guys, it's Ocho here, and I just wanted to come on and make a video about my hair. So, firstly, I have a big dream or a goal to have like long hair all the way up to my butt or thighs, possibly longer. Probably not actually. I don't. I used to want Sailor Moon length hair, but I think to the butt is long enough. I think to the butt is long enough. So, for the past 4.5 years to 5 years, since 2014, I started my like full-blown journey to going natural and retaining as much length as possible. When I first started that, it was not going that well. And I tried a lot of methods to increase the speed of my hair, make my hair grow faster. I did all those videos that were like, oh, increase your hair times 4, times 10. This length grew in like a month or some other bullshit. We already know it's not gonna happen. Okay, the way your hair grows the best long is from retention. And the thing is, as black people with curly hair, we don't have enough sebum going down the hair to protect the ends of our hair so it cannot break off as much. So our hair is breaking off usually at the rate that it's growing. So it doesn't look like it's growing at all. Or maybe it might break off slightly below the rate that it's growing. So you grow like a centimeter a month or something instead of a half inch. So my mistakes were trying to do stuff that will make my hair grow faster instead of retaining the length I had. I used to have single strand knots that I would just grab and then just snatch out, and it would make my hair split. Like I had a lot of split ends. And the reason why I needed to cut my hair a lot was because of those split ends. I thought my hair was just dry and damaged, but it was really because the split ends, it was making it like brittle and a lot more unhealthier than it actually is. So don't pull your hair out. Don't, even at the ends, just baby ends as much as possible. But I just wanted to come on here because I was so focused on my goal that I didn't take the time to realize how far I've gotten. Like, oh my gosh, look at this length. And no, I took pictures before and my hair, it would be like, so I was trying to get, it's like, yeah. So I would have this come right here and then it would be like this strand and the bulk of my hair would be right here. And I was like, oh my gosh, I have almost boob length hair. No, you don't. That one strand is that length. When you can get a whole bunch of your hair and pull it down for the thickness, that's when you know you got that length. And I finally got it. And I'm like really excited. The way I got it was time and putting my hair in styles where my length would be retained tremendously. And so, if you can't tell, I definitely haven't done anything to my hair in a while, which is why it's so long. But yeah, so length retention and leaving it alone, especially if you have thin strand hair. So that's another thing that I wanted to like point out to people. You can follow the exact regimen of someone who has the same hair type as you, but if they don't have the same strands as you have, like your hair, like your thickness, whether it's thin or thick, it's not gonna work for you. I 100% really think, because there's some looser textured women, like straight haired women, whose hair is really, really fine and is always short. Like they can't grow their hair long either. And that's because their hair breaks off. Because fine hair is very delicate and their hair is breaking off just as much as our hair. But our hair, being this fine and delicate, ends up like bringing off more because it doesn't have any type of moisture going down to the roots, not the roots, the ends. So we really need to baby our ends and go by hair strand configuration, not curl type. I really think that's the thing. Like, so for the curl type, you obviously need to baby your ends, but I think for the configurations, it's like how much you need to baby them. Because I had a roommate, her strands of hair were thick. She could literally just like blow her hair out with a brush and just continuously comb. And, you know, some people will have like kind of long strands come out or this length. This is all that broke off of her hair was like this little bit, like teeny bit of at the ends broke off when she did that. She never had long strands of hair broken off anywhere. It was always small. I mean, yeah, she had shedding sometimes, but I'm saying like when you comb your hair and you have breakage, it was teeny breakage, short breakage. And that's because her hair strands were really thick. And then another roommate of mine, she had really thick hair, like in volume, full hair. That's what it is, full. She had full hair. She had medium strand length or thickness, medium strand thickness, and then full hair. So as long as she just kept her hair together, the more the moisture stays with each other. You know, they tight, they're good. So she kept her hair in a lot of buns, and her length retention was extraordinary as well. She also took care of her hair way more than me. Like, she would do her hair either once a week, or if not, once every 2 weeks. Me, I would try to do every 2 weeks, but sometimes it ended up being once a month. That wasn't too good. So the main length retention for fine, thin hair, I am getting thicker hair because of this routine, is to use Chebe Powder, clay mask, clay mask, like shampooing, clay mask. Do clay mask on your hair. And GreenBeauty Channel has the best recipe that I use for my hair. You can buy it at any, like the clay, you can buy it at any herbalist shop or whatnot. I shop online a lot, so I just Google it. You can probably buy it from Amazon. And then most thing that I do is after washing, conditioning, or hot oil treatment, I'll put a leave-in conditioner, maybe like this one in my hair. This one's not that good, but I don't know if you can see it. It's all shiny. Maybe like this one or a Cantu brand, or whatever conditioner you want. Just put a leave-in conditioner in, and then put a hair lotion in, not pink. But this is very important because it's gonna sound like a lot of stuff that you put in your hair. So you're gonna do leave-in conditioner, hair lotion, Argan Oil, Jamaican Black Castor Oil, and seal it all off with Shea Butter. And for like, say this section, like all this of my hair, only using that much. Only using this much. I'm gonna put some in because I'm gonna wash my hair later anyway. So yeah, this much while your hair is still wet. Just put that much in. Don't reach in to get some more. It's okay. It's not gonna be enough because you're gonna add other things to make it enough. You know, so don't put anything else in. So a little bit of this, 2 drops of Argan Oil, 2 drops of Jamaican Black Castor Oil. Black Jamaican? No, it's Jamaican Black Castor Oil. So 2 drops of that, and then you want to put just grab a little bit of Shea Butter, warm it up in your hands, raw Shea Butter. You know, let me go get. You want the raw Shea Butter, okay? The raw. This one, don't get the smooth one because that one stinks. Get this one that looks like this, and this is probably enough for that one section. Maybe not. Okay. Gotta make sure you warm it up in your hands. Yeah, it definitely is enough. And then you just apply it to seal it all off. And then afterwards, So I section my hair off in 2 sections or 4 sections now that it's long enough to do that. And I'll just continue to, that's not the right sections. I'll continue to wash and condition and retwist. I wanted to do this for the next 6 months, at least till the end of the year, so I can get as much length retention as possible and allow my hair to not to like recover, because I did some like hairstyles that weren't exactly the best for my edges, and they really did damn disappear. They disappeared. My edges disappeared, and I didn't like it. It looked so weird. So they're coming back. Like, all this used to be way worse. Like, you could see where it was like really thin. It used to be way worse than this. I didn't used to have this either. This is new. That's why it's so short. Like, all this stuff is growing back. I think black people are in the impression that we're supposed to have little hairs right here. I think it's just because it breaks off too damn much. It's too like fine, so it just breaks off because we're not like taking care of it right. So we just need to take care of it, and it'll be better. It'll grow. Like, mine's starting to grow. I haven't put any braids or any tension hairstyle. Like this, these are 2-strand twists that are very loose 3-strand twists or 2-strand twists. So yeah, basically the main thing is love your goal, focus on it, but also, you know, take the time to look to see how far you've actually gotten, because it's awesome. You know, like a side-by-side comparison when you first started to like 6 years later to where you are now. It's just great. I love it. My hair has actually never been this long, and I'm excited. I haven't straightened it yet. I literally just do this and put it in a bun. Now that I can like pull it back with it being sort of relaxed, I just put it in a loose bun. You know, just like this. And I keep it like this for a week. Yeah, it's probably not the best, this ideal, but it's been working. My length has been retained for a long time. I don't know, I just like it, and I'm probably not going to change anything until my hair starts breaking off or something, and it doesn't seem like it's going to do that, so yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching. You know, like and subscribe if you want more random videos of me, because I honestly don't know where this channel is going. I have hair videos, I have gameplay videos, I have a weird parody of New Year's, like, I just have random stuff, so yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye. Now make sure you figure out what's best for your hair and focus on length retention and not growing your hair super fast. You need to retain the length that's already been grown. That's important. Retain the length that's been grown. Baby your ends. Baby them.